Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook belly pork to achieve perfect crackling and tender meat. First, let's prepare the pork belly. Carefully score the skin in a crosshatch pattern, ensuring you don't cut into the meat itself. This helps the skin crisp up beautifully. Next, it's crucial to thoroughly pat the skin dry with paper towels. Finally, rub a generous amount of coarse salt and a little oil all over the scored skin. Now, let's get that crackling started. Place your prepared pork belly, skin side up, on a wire rack set over a baking tray. This allows air to circulate around the skin. Pop it into a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for an initial 25 minutes. This high-temperature blast is absolutely crucial for kickstarting the crackling process, ensuring you get that wonderfully crispy texture we all love. After the initial high-heat blast, it's time to slow things down for maximum tenderness. Reduce your oven temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. Continue roasting the pork belly for approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours. This extended, slower cooking period is key to breaking down the connective tissues, resulting in incredibly succulent and melt-in-your-mouth meat that perfectly complements the crispy crackling. Once your pork belly is beautifully cooked, it's vital to let it rest. Carefully remove it from the oven and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. This crucial step permits the meat juices to redistribute throughout the pork, ensuring every bite is wonderfully moist and flavorful. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked pork belly into thick, generous pieces and serve it immediately to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.